Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So in this particular live demo, we are going to take a sample policy of the organization ABC, and we are going to check the policy details as compared to ISO 27001-2022 framework. So this will be done by the AI agent automatically and through a chat. So what I have done is, this is the N8N platform where I have developed this particular AI agent automation, where the staff members, the CISOs, the security analyst, or any staff can actually put in a chat here and can check or verify the details of the policy, whether it is compliant to ISO 27001-2022. The AI agent will also give you the gaps as well as recommendations of what policy needs to be put in, what are the changes to be put in, and what can be the next steps. Basically, it is a preparation for the organization to be ISO 27001-2022 compliant and get ready for implementation if they have not done so. So this use case is just for policy checks, but this can be extended to any other use case. For example, third-party governance, then your incident management, and many other use cases. So without further ado, let's go to the live demo. So before starting the live demo, let me give you a quick walkthrough of this platform, what we are using here. We are using the N8N platform, which is the AI agent automation platform, which will call the open chat model, which I am using as Chat GPT for Omni. Then I am using a simple memory, which is actually to tell the agent to remember my past conversation so that I don't need to repeat it again. And also, one of the other things which I have captured here is any staff member, any security analyst, any security team member who is putting these details, his details are captured in a Google Sheet, basically like this. That is name, staff, email, and department. So there you see there are two entries here because I was trying it out myself first. That's why there are two entries. Then I have also configured the agent to act as a security analyst. For example, I have told it that you are a security analyst for the company ABC. That is our fictitious company. And I have asked him to answer the questions based on the policy which is the model is trained on. So basically, the policy which we just saw is the policy from which the model is being trained on, right? So let's start the flow. Okay. So the first step is I will chat here as, hey. So it's running, the models has been executed, the nodes are being executed, and we see that it's being now in the flow. Now, hello, how I can assist you with the security policy questions today? So I will say, can you please summarize the security policy of the organization ABC? Let me put the full spelling here. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So it's executing. Let me see what the answer it's giving. We'll see the answer now. I can help you. I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your name, staff, email, and department? Okay, so my name is Sid, and my email will be sid@abc.co, and my department is IT security, right? Let me see what he answers. Okay, it's now executing the models and the flow behind the scenes. And let me see what it comes up. Okay, thank you for providing the information, Sid. Let's see what it says. Here's a summary of the security policy of the organization ABC. So it summarizes the policy as you can see here. Data protection, incident management, acceptable use, compliance, and it also says the policy was reviewed by the CISO and is effective from January 1, 2025. Now comes the question or the mapping which we want to understand and automate. So I will check on the one of the use cases. Let's say, can you please map the current incident management policy, management incident policy to ISO 27001 2022. Also, let me know if there are any gaps. And the best practices to follow. Right? Please provide the answers in a clean tabular format. Let's see what happens now. So basically, I'm trying to map the current incident managed policy of the organization ABC with the ISO 27001 2022 framework. And I want to understand if there are any gaps on the incident management policy of the organization ABC. If so, what are the gaps and what are the best practices to be aligned with ISO 27001 2022 framework? Let's go. So it's working behind the scenes, and let's see what happens. But before that, let me show you the Excel sheet, which should have my details in here. You see, it has captured my details, SID, abc.co, IT security. It has actually put in 2 times because I have not told the AI agent to capture it only 1 time. So we can actually edit it and it can be captured 1 time only. This particular data could be of very good use to analyze, like if the staff, if the all the staff members, security owners, they understand the policies or how aware are they of the policies. And if not, we can actually amend the policies or put in for more training to the employees to make them understand about the policy. So let's see what's happening behind the scene here, and we'll see here. Okay. So that's the answer it is giving me. Let's see what's the answer. Let me make it a bit bigger. Here is a suggested mapping of current incident management policy of organization ABC to ISO 27001 2022, right? So it has given me in a tabular format, responsibilities and procedures, right? Let me make it big like this. So see, this is the current policy. Responsibility assigned to IT team with 24 hours reporting requirement. Gaps. Ensure roles and responsibilities are clearly defined and understood by all employees. Suggestion, best practices. establish precise roles, responsibilities, and incident handling procedures, ensure staff are trained or aware. So you can see, like, I'm not gonna read all of these, but you can see like how beautifully and in how quickly the AI agent has automatically given us the best of the best recommendations based on ISO 27001 2022 best practices and requirements. So this is all I wanted to actually give a demo on, and I hope this can be used as a extensive use case. We can literally automate, for example, your third-party vendor assessments, then NIST, cybersecurity, and other things. So thank you all, and I will see you soon. Thanks and bye.